Where's the pricing? So after this, the first product. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here and seeing my face for the very first time, hi, I am Prakriti and today I am back with a video on a full face of new makeup and my first impressions about the products. Like थोड़े time पहले I bought some new makeup and I thought why not try it with you guys and tell you my first impression about the products. So अभी तो like I'm थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे because it's been a while since I shot a video. And yeah, that was all about it. And let's not elongate this intro and just hop into the video. So before starting with the makeup, let's just fix our hair. And here we go. So to start off, I have properly cleansed my face and thereafter I've applied a moisturizer and then a sunscreen जो कि मैंने खुद भी बहुत skip की हुई है पहले, but it's very essential, be it summers, be it winters, whether you go out or not, it is very essential. And now like I have incorporated that into my skincare and then I've applied a lip balm. And after this, the first product is a primer and I had purchased the Swiss Beauty's Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer and it's in the shade N02 Golden Tint. And the pricing, okay, I'll mention the prices on the screen here, they are not mentioned. And it says that it's a highlighting primer, brightens skin, modifies pores, moisturizing. And let's just see. And this is the packaging, like you guys can see, it's looking so luxurious. It's a glass bottle and it comes with a pump. Like I had bought this a while ago only, मैंने use नहीं किया तब से अब तक. This is the first time that I'll be using it, so it is counted for the first impressions. And yeah, I'll just apply this. Oh, it's a cream based primer and as you can see, this is how it looks. And yeah, let's just start by applying it on the face. It has this golden tint to it, yeah. It is nourishing for sure, but I don't think that it's doing anything to the pores. But yeah, it's giving this golden sheen, which you can see. Like this could be used by mixing it in your moisturizer for everyday use. It's really nice. I liked this. So the next product is a concealer and it's also from the brand Swiss Beauty. It's their liquid concealer and I'm in the shade 04 medium beige and it was around 159 or so. Like मैंने बहुत सारे concealers use किए हुए हैं, be it Maybelline, be it L'Oreal, then Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. And इसके बारे में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा सुना हुआ है and I thought why not purchase and use this and let's just use it. I'm very excited for this one. And I'll blend the concealer by using this Miniso Beauty sponge which was around 230 and इनके sponges के बारे में मैंने बहुत सुना हुआ है and I wanted to give it a try and I got this for the shape and the color. Like इसकी जो pointy edge है, it could easily go into the corner of the eye and blend the concealer. And let's just see how it works. And this is the dry sponge and I'll be back by wetting it. I'm shocked after dampening and seeing the increase in size of this blender. It's so squishy and it has doubled up in size. So yeah, let's just start and use this sponge. So I'll apply inner corner. I'll apply some on my acne scars around my mouth, on the bridge of my nose, and highlighting my forehead. So yeah, let's just see how this one works. And I'll take the pointy edge and start. So this is the blended side and I quite a bit like this product. Let's just blend it over here. The concealer is nice at this price point, I must say, and I even like the sponge. So the next product is a foundation and it's this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation and I'm in the shade 105 Natural Beige. And it says that it has a demi matte finish, air light and oil free, and it even says that it stays up to 24 hour. Like that though I won't be able to tell you now, but after application I'll surely let you know how this one is. Everything is mentioned at the back of the tube and it's a tube so it's travel friendly. Yeah, let's just see how this one is. I'll take some at the back of my hand and I think that this one is my shade and I'll just apply it on my face and let you know. Take a bit. Yeah, this is my shade. So it's a matte foundation, it'll dry down quick, so let's just blend it. So I'll just use a brush on this side to see the coverage of the product. So I'll dot the product. It has a good coverage, I must tell you. And the leftover product I'll just drag in my hairline. So yeah, after the application it feels that it's true matte as the name suggests, so it lives up to that expectation. And it's matte, so it's not meant for dry skin people because it can cling to the dry patches if you have any. So yeah, let's just move forward with setting our face, and it's the famous Fit Me concealer. And I had got this famous Fit Me concealer and I had shown this in the Nykaa sale, I suppose. And I'll not lie, I have used it once or twice and I liked this product. Like अगर लोग बोल रहे हैं and बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद कर रहे हैं इस product को, so they are not wrong because सच में ही ये product बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. And I'll take a dry beauty sponge and take some of the product, dab the excess and just push it under my eyes. I'll not bake, I'll just set the concealer. Same I'll do on the other side. And I'll set the areas जहाँ जहाँ भी मैंने concealer लगाया था. So moving forward with the eyebrow, and it's this Etude House drawing pencil and it's in the shade, I suppose, gray brown 02. And this one also I mentioned in my Nykaa haul. If you haven't checked my Nykaa haul, I'll just link it down below and mention in the card as well so you guys can check. And since then I have been using and loving this product. So it comes with a spoolie on one end and the product which is in the form of a retractable pencil on the other side. So this is how the product looks like. So I'll do my eyebrow. I'll first draw the line and fill the eyebrow and then I'll draw a smaller stroke. So you guys can easily figure out the difference. This one is done and this one is left, so I'll be back by doing this. Now both my eyebrows are done and let's just move on to the next product. And the next product is from Faces Canada and it's the Ultime Pro palette, and it's a 3-in-1 face palette which has a highlighter, bronzer and a blush. It is in the shade Glow and it is for around $8.99. So yeah, it's a bit costly, but it's also that you're getting 3 products in just one palette. So अगर आप लोग 3 अलग-अलग चीजें लोगे like highlighter and then blush and then bronzer, so it would cost you even more than this one. So अगर economically देखा जाए तो this palette is better, even travel friendly, and it's very nice. I'll show you from the inside. So this is the bronzer, blush and highlighter, and I'll just start off by using the bronzer. So I'll take an angled brush and I'll start off by taking the product. Oh, it's pigmented. And begin first by placing the product. I'll just blend the product. And as you can see, the bronzing is done and I liked this palette. So moving forward with the blush, I'm taking this fluffy brush. I'll be taking this blush. It's a pretty pink shade and let's just place the product. It's decently pigmented. Like, I also personally don't like the splash of color on my cheek. I like the blushes which look natural. So moving forward with the eye product, and I purchased this eyeshadow palette from Nika K and it's in the variant Under the Sea. And it was around $5.99, but I got it for 300 only. It has a variety of shade range and it looks so good and I'm very excited to try this one. Let's just first swatch the colors and look. Like, ये उतने भी अच्छे हैं जितने पैलेट में दिख रहे हैं कि बस दिख ही रहे हैं. So this is how the pigment is. So these are mattes and these are 2 shimmers. Let's just see on our hand कि कैसा लगता है. The shimmers are very nice, you can see. And just swatch the mattes also. The mattes are a bit chalky though. So these are the mattes. So let's just begin and fingers crossed कि ज़्यादा fallout ना हो. Let's just take a fluffy brush and I'm beginning with this brown shade. Oh, it's dusting off. Let's just place the color. But it's pigmented, guys. It's nice, it's pigmented. It's blending really nicely. Let's just do the same on the other eye. Now I'll be taking this green shade and placing it on the outer corner. This one is not that pigmented. Like, it is showing up when I'm picking it on the brush and the color is not transferring that green to the eye. So I'll be placing this darker brown color on the edge. I'll be taking a clean brush and blending the crease area entirely. Now let's just take this pink shimmer shade and apply it on the inner corner. I'll be using my finger to apply it. And oh my god, you can see it. It's having that reflex. It's so freaking nice. I'm highly impressed by the shimmer. I'll be taking this small pointy pencil brush and I'll be using this shade to smudge it on my lower lash line. And I'll do that. And to my surprise, मुझे लगा था कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा फॉल आउट होगा जब मैंने स्वॉच किया उसके टेक्सचर से, बट इतना ज़्यादा फॉल आउट नहीं है एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस पैलेट. So my eye look is finally done, and next I'll be using a very famous mascara, and I think you might have guessed it right, and it's the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. मैंने इसके बारे में इतना ज़्यादा सुन लिया कि मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा वैसा हो गया कि हाँ चलो ट्राई करते हैं. So this is how the wand of it looks like. And no doubt everyone is raving about this product. Like, it has coated individual lashes and made it so voluminous, and in this eye I have applied the mascara and you can already see the difference, and I'll just be back by applying it on the other lash as well. So I'm done with the mascara and you guys could see कि कितनी ज़्यादा voluminous lashes लग रही हैं. Like, ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने falsies लगाई हैं, but that's not true. It's the effect of this mascara only. And yeah, moving forward with the highlighter, I'll be using the same face palette and I'll be taking this highlighter. Let's just swatch it first. So it is buttery soft. It's in this shade. So that is the highlighter. And let's just apply it on our face. I'll be putting it here. It's not that blinding one, but it is nice. It's giving that subtle glow. So that is the highlighter. And yeah, it is visible. So moving forward with the lipstick, I'll first be lining my lips, and I'll be using this liner from Wet n Wild. I've been using this earlier also, and it's in the shade Chestnut. I'll be first lining my lips. So once I'm done lining the lips, I'll go forward with the lip color, and this lip color is from Sugar Cosmetics and it's in the shade 06 Taffeta Terracotta, and this is how it looks from inside. It's a true brown color, and it's just... So this is how the color looks like once it's dried, and it's a true matte formula and I'm liking the shade as well. So yeah, it's yeah. So yeah, I'm done with the final look, and this is how the look turned out. Like, all the products I had tried for the first time, and yeah, I'll tell you my top picks from the entire products. Firstly, I would surely recommend this Nika K eyeshadow palettes. इसमें बहुत सारे variants थे, but I picked this one in particular, and I like the shade range. The mattes were a bit chalky, but they were blendable, but the shimmers are bomb, and I would recommend you guys to try this one. And the second would surely be the Fit Me Loose powder. इसके बारे में बोलने की कोई necessity नहीं है, as well as also the Lash Paradise mascara. So ये दोनों ही products बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे थे. So that is it for this video. Hope you liked my first impressions of the products that I used in this video, and if you use any of the products that I recommended in this video, so do tag me on Insta. I am super active there. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as it means a lot. जब भी कोई छोटा सा भी comment कर देता है या कोई new subscriber आता है, it means a lot to me. And yeah, till then, bye bye, take care and meet you in my next video.